Everyone is asking which one is better, and every video comparing Seedance and Gemini Omni Flash is wrong. They don't do the same thing, not even close. One generates entire cinematic worlds from a single image. Watch this. The other takes ordinary footage shot on your phone and rewrites the entire reality around it. Watch this. Let me show you exactly what I mean, and both you can try on this AI tool, and stay till the end. I'm going to give you every single prompt and every reference media I used in this video. This is XMK, one platform with every major AI video model. Seedance 2, Gemini Omni Flash, VO3, Kling, all of them. One account, one credit system, no tab switching. Link is in the description. Seedance creates cinematic video from nothing, just an image or words. Gemini Omni takes real footage you already have and rewrites its entire world. Different superpowers, not competitors. Here's both right now. Let's see what Seedance can actually do. Click AI video, then Seedance 2. Make sure reference generation is selected, not text to video. Upload your character image here as image 1, then upload your camera movement reference as video 1. 2 inputs. That's all Seedance needs. Describe exactly what you want to see, the scene, the action, the camera moves. The more specific, the better the output. I am describing a rain-soaked rooftop at golden hour, a lone fighter facing 6 combat droids, dynamic camera movement, slow motion shell casings, heavy atmosphere, and a cinematic hero ending. Settings I am choosing: model Seedance 2, ratio 16:9, 720p resolution, duration at 8 seconds, then hit generate. Now watch what Seedance does with it. Same character held across every single frame, one image in, full cinematic action scene out. That is the create superpower. Like the result? Just click download and save it instantly. Now let's see if Seedance can build a luxury commercial from a single image. Watch this. Same tool, completely different use case. Go to AI image, Dream 5. Generate your reference mood board first. This 9-panel mood board, I generated it right here on XMK. One image with every scene I want Seedance to build. Back to Seedance. Reference generation. Upload the mood board as image 1. Describe each shot. Aerial wide, inside the car, mirror close up, macro lips. Seedance reads every instruction. Settings is same, only duration I am increasing to 15 seconds. Then hit generate. Now wait for the magic. No actress, no location shoot, no director, one mood board image, 15 seconds of commercial content. Agencies charge lakhs for this. You just did it free. Happy with the output? Just hit download. Now let's see how Gemini Omni rewrites reality using real footage. Click AI video, then Gemini Omni Flash. This tool works completely differently from Seedance. You'll see 2 upload zones, one for your video, one for a reference image. This is where Gemini Omni's superpower lives. Upload your real footage here. I am using a simple phone video, just a hand opening slowly, nothing special. Then upload your reference image here. This tells Gemini Omni what world to create. Type your transformation instruction in the prompt. Tell it exactly what you want to happen. Set resolution to 1080p. Gemini Omni goes higher than Seedance. Ratio 16:9. Duration 6 seconds, and hit generate. Same hand, same motion, completely different reality. Seedance could not do this. Seedance creates from nothing. Gemini Omni rewrites what already exists. 2 superpowers, one platform. Now download it instantly. One platform, VO3, Kling, WAN, all in one place. Stop switching tools. Everything is here. Try on XMK. Link is in the description. And I promised you at the start, every prompt I used, every reference media, all of it is in the description. Go download it right now. Use it. Make your own versions. Subscribe if this saved you hours of research. And Google just launched an AI agent that works while you sleep. Watch the video on screen. See you there.